Hey guys, I already finished the video. I'm popping in before the video starts to let you know that I will be sharing my personal succulents collection at the end of the video or somewhere in there somewhere. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantabulous day. My day is going awesomely well. I have a new box for you guys, and this one I am totally in love with right now. I love this box. I'm so happy that they reached out to me to do a review of this box. It is called the Succulent Box, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this box because I'm very excited. As if you cannot tell, I'm very excited about this box. So, as I said, it is called the Succulents Box. It is a monthly succulents box with popular and rare succulents, cactus, and air plants right at your doorstep. You can get one succulent a month for $5. You can get one air plant a month for $6.50, or you can get two succulents for $10, or three succulents for $15, or what I have in this here box, 4 succulents for $20 a month. So let us, okay, come on now. Thank you very much. It says each month you'll receive a box of 4 2-inch, why did I just lose that? Okay. 4 2-inch succulents will feature different varieties each month. I'm so happy about that. It's not the same all the time, kind of like some of the boxes do, like beauty boxes. It's the same. With this box, it is different, and I love it. I am very stoked about this box. So the Succulent Box is a great surprise gift for succulent lovers to indulge their love monthly. We offer flexible options, 1, 2, 3, or 4 succulents of 2 inches in size each month. We feature 4 different varieties each month. We also offer an air plant subscription box with 1 different air plant each month. And girl, I can keep air plants alive. Oh yes, I can. The air plant will probably outlive me because I don't have to do anything with it, and I love that because my brain is sometimes, good thing I remembered to feed my kids, right? Because I can't remember to water the plants. But by the time I remember to water a succulent, it is never too, well, I won't say never. It is almost always never too late to water a succulent. So let's continue reading. I am so excited about this box. It's a great surprise gift idea for that special someone who wants to go green. And then quality guarantee, we only ship the healthiest of plants. Satisfaction guaranteed, we will refund or send replacements if you're not happy with the plants. That is a plus in my book. And we provide detailed care instructions for each plant. So let's get into this box. What are we waiting for? We need to get in this box, right? Right. Okay. So I did take the liberty of unsealing the box, and now we're going to open it, because I didn't want you guys to watch me struggle like you're watching me struggle right now, but not near as much as you would have seen me struggling before. So here is what you see when you first crack the seal. So here are the care instructions, front and back. Oh, stay there. And then we have our little receipt. And let's get this open up. And there is our 4 little babies. There they are. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's look in here because I thought I saw something in here. And they send you your receipt, and it tells you how much it is. And as you can see over here, it would have been $20, but this was sent to me for review, but $20, and I don't believe there was any shipping. I didn't see where it said plus shipping. I will check on that, and I will leave that down in the description bar for you. And then these are our little cards, and I Really appreciate these little cards because you put these on like a little popsicle stick and stick them in the dirt, and then you'll always know what plant is what. So we have our 4 plants, and then here's our care instructions, and it also says 15% off your first order on our website if you use the code LOVEPLANTS. And then on the back, let me see if there's a code over here. There is a code on Crate Joy where you can get 25% off your first box. So you need to take advantage of that. And it says, please carefully and gently remove the packaging material if that's the first thing you do when you receive your box. And then it says, don't put the plants in sunlight immediately. They need to be acclimated to the sunlight gradually. So you don't want to take them right out of the box and set them right in the sunniest window ever, because it will burn the plants. Okay, keep the plants in the shade or in direct sunlight and slowly introduce them into the direct sunlight. Succulents prefer daytime temperature between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and nighttime temperatures between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to give your plants some shade in case of extremely hot temperatures. So, water only when the soil is dry. In the summer, water the plants generously every 1 to 2 weeks. See, I can handle that. I can handle that. During the winter, when the plants go dormant, cut watering back to once a month. And I can handle that too. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to convo us. If you receive your order and there is any problem whatsoever, please contact us within 24 hours. We will do our best to make it right with you. With love, Succulents Box team. And there's all of our instructions. So let's get into this box now that I've talked your ear off and can't quite possibly say anymore. Okay, so this is what it comes. It is very, very well wrapped, and we're gonna see how we can get into this thing because it is taped right up. Oh my goodness, how do I get into this? Okay, I think I may have figured it out, or maybe I didn't. I don't know. I see the end of the tape. Okay. Oh, I got it. I got it. There we go. Come on. I'm gonna stick you right there for a minute. Let's see here. Come on now. They want to see what you look like, because they might want to order you. All right. Oh, I see it. I'm trying to get to it, guys. I really am. Okay. Come out, come out. I don't want to hurt it. All right. There's got to be an easier way to get this out. I just haven't. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? Look at that little, oh, that is so pretty. All right, let's see if we can figure out what this one, oh, I think I found it already. This kind of looks like that, right? Kind of, yeah. And it is Lapidaria margaritae, Carew rose. Okay, so that's what that is, a Carew rose. And it says that I can go on succulentsbox.com to read on more of this very, very beautiful succulent. Okay, now let's see what our next one looks like. If we can get it out of the oh goodness, they really take really good care in packaging these. I appreciate that, because I would feel terrible if I got one of these and it was just like destroyed. So let's see if we can't get into this one. Oh, come on now. I know I talk to the packages all the time, but sometimes I think it helps. I do. I think it helps the package. Maybe not. I don't know. I might have to go get some scissors for this one, because it is just giving me a hard time. Come on now. Aha! I got it. Got dirt everywhere too. All right, let's see here. Come out, come out. Oh, 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 that's so cute. Oh, look at that one, guys. Wow, that is so cute. And I'm thinking that this is probably not the right one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm going crazy. Because these two plants look like the same, don't they? The same card. This one is a darker card. Okay, we're going to try and identify them once we get them all out of the package. I think that makes more sense, I think. Okay. And we have another one. Let's see where we get this started here. And I may edit out all of this unpacking. And then again, I may not. You might just get to see me struggle and fight and, you know, all that with this packaging. Come on. Wow. You cannot say that this was not packaged well, because yes, it was. Yes, it was. Ah, don't break. Oh, that's a tall one. All right, I got ya. Come on out. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world, pretty flower. Oh, aren't you just beautiful? I'm gonna leave that on there for now, but there it is. Isn't that just gorgeous? They look so healthy. So healthy. Let's see if I can get this off of here without destroying my newest plant. Come on. I love these little containers. Aren't they just so super cute? Isn't that just cute? Okay, now we have one more plant. Get over there. All right, well, last one. Let's see if we can get this one open a little easier. Maybe not, because, you know, well, maybe so. That just popped right open there. All right. Come on. They do get easier as the more you go. All right, I think I got it, guys. I got it. Oh, it's one of them. Okay, I get it. Okay. Oh my goodness. It looks like, I have one already. Christmas cactus, that's what it looks like. Okay, so this one, I can tell. This one is called concrete leaf. That's what this one is called. Let me see if I can show you guys what it's really looking like. It's not wanting to. There. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so cute. Okay, so now this one is called concrete leaf. I wonder if I can put them in the box and you guys can see them better in the box. Maybe not. Nope, it's not going to work that way. So we're going to do it this way. We are going to do it this way. We're going to move the box out of the way. And then, there we go. Ah! Don't fall, please don't fall. Okay, so there are my succulents. What do you guys think? Aren't they just gorgeous? Gorgeous. So this one is called, we're gonna set them down now. Get out of the way. All right, this one is called, like I said, concrete leaf. I'm not sure that it's going to focus very well. Let's turn it around. There we go. Concrete leaf. That one is concrete leaf. And then this one is called square rosetta. Rosettas. I think that's what it's called. Square rosettas. Isn't that wonderful? Look, I just love that. It's like a beautiful green tower. Beautiful. And then we have, let's see here. I'm thinking that it's this one is the Karoo Rose. That is a Karoo Rose. I love that. That is very pretty. Karoo Rose. And then we have this one, which is a hard one to pronounce. Anacampsiros. Anacampsiros. And this is what it will look like. And that's what it looks like now. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Kind of look plastic, right? But they're not. They're not plastic. They're real. Those are gorgeous. So, what did you guys think of this box? This is different on my channel, right? I mean, who'd have thought I would be getting plants? But I love it. Love, love it. Love it. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. OMG. All right, guys, so tell me what you thought of this. Would you order this box? And do you already have a green thumb, or is yours a work in progress like my green thumb? My green thumb is kind of light green. But with these, I absolutely love these. I even have a book on these so that I know how to take care of them. And I think that I need a plant that is more patient than I am. Because, I mean, let's face it, not everybody's born with a green thumb. But anyway, you guys let me know what you thought about this box, and let me know if you plan on ordering it. I mean, for $5 a month for one, hey, that's a great, great deal. And don't forget to use that code that they have provided with, the code is called First Box. That's the code. You get 25% off of the $5 box. Come on, guys. Just get it to try it and see if you like it. Really, this box came with such great care taken to make sure that these plants got here to me. And they're in perfect, perfect condition. I highly, highly recommend this box. If you guys like your plants and you have a green thumb, go ahead and get you one of these boxes. All right, guys. Well, that's 18 minutes that I have been rambling. I will let you guys get on with your day, and I will see you in my next video real soon. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. Don't forget the subscribe button, because without you subscribing, then I would have absolutely no purpose in doing these videos. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out those and hit that subscribe button right over here in this corner, because I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.